just launched the Venu 4, their brand new smartwatch that's designed to go head to head. With the Apple Watch Series 11, it may look familiar at first glance, but Garmin has picked some smart upgrades, from a built-in flashlight to advanced health tracking, lifestyle, logging, and even longer battery life. So what's new and is it worth upgrading? So welcome to Smartwatch Radar. Let's break it down. The biggest talking point is the built-in LED flashlight. It's simple but super useful. Whether you are out or running in the dark or just searching for your keys at night, this little feature makes a big difference. And it's something that Apple's Watch still does not offer. Next, Garmin has doubled down on health tracking. The new health status tool monitors key metrics like sleep quality, HRV, skin temperature, and heart rate. It compares these to your normal baseline and it can warn you if your body under stress, rundown, or even getting sick. There's also a lifestyle logging. Now you can log things like caffeine or alcohol intake and see how those choices impact your sleep and recovery. This pushes the Venu 4 beyond just a fitness tracker into more a full lifestyle coach. On the fitness side, Garmin's daily suggested workouts now cover over 25 different sports, not just running or cycling. That means whether you are into the strength training, HIIT, or yoga, the Venu 4 can recommend tailored workouts to help you progress. And of course, there's a battery life. Garmin claims up to 12 days on a single charge, which is miles ahead of the Apple Watch Series 11. Even with always on display, you are still looking at the few solid days, something Apple simply can't match. So what are the final thoughts? So is the Venu 4 a real rival to the Apple Watch Series 11? In many ways, yes. Apple still wins on the apps, polish, and the ecosystem, but Garmin delivers the battery, health insights, and everyday practically with features like the flashlight. So if you want a smartwatch that lasts longer, keeps a closer light on your health, and helps you balance both workouts and lifestyle choices, the Garmin Venu 4 is definitely worth a look. So thanks for watching.